Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I have 3 bowls, but today I'll be showing you guys how I'll be filling up my Heart Trio palettes. So I'm really excited to show you guys. So first off, I have 3 bowls because my Heart Trio palette will contain my Peach Mango Blast lip gloss and my Sapphire lip gloss and my classic Peppermint Bliss clear lip gloss. So that's why I have 3 bowls, and then I have my grapeseed oil right here, and I got all my stuff, my Versagel over here. So let me put on my gloves. But yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, but yeah, I think it's gonna be really fun. Honestly. I love making lip gloss, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. 3 different bowls, 3 different types of lip gloss, and I'll be doing a lot of my palettes. I'm gonna do about 10. I'm gonna try to do a couple on camera, and then the rest, I'll decide. I'll just keep on filming the video, and yeah. But yeah, anyways, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'd really appreciate it. Yeah. Let me squeeze more up here. Look at me over here, like, okay. That's a good amount. There you go. Ooh. So then now I'm gonna add the oil, grapeseed oil. Or y'all already know, grapeseed oil. All right, and then now I'm gonna start mixing. So I moved the 2 other bowls over there so I can get, like, concentrated on this one. So this one I used the pink slash, well, pink, it's called pink, red slash blue shade. It looks like this. Y'all see that? Ooh. And then I might have to add a little bit more, honestly. But sometimes with the micas, you just never know. So y'all see that though? Yeah, with the mica, it's so messy. It's right here. Sometimes I try to move it around, Okay, and then I just fix it with my syringe. But yeah, so I did one, yay. So let me do this other one. So now, here's the peach mango. It's the super strength, so I really don't need a lot. The orange tint, there you go. One, 2, oops. Looks like there's another drop that wants to come. Yeah. So I did 2 drops for now, just to see how it will look, But this is a small batch, but still. Okay. This is like a nice, this is a nice orange because it is peach mango. So I don't want it to be too orange. But yeah, I don't want, yeah. So first I'm gonna see how it looks. And it's gonna go through the syringe too. The pipette, actually. Okay, it's not that bad. There you go. Yay. And then now I have to do my Peppermint Bliss, which is my clear gloss. Let me put that here. So I'm gonna bring my clear gloss over here. So this is still thick, so I'm gonna add a tiny bit more of grapeseed oil, of course. Then I'm gonna add my peppermint essential oil. I'm gonna add a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. But this is a small batch. And then now I'm gonna mix it. So yeah, this is my best-selling clear gloss. Usually I have my music blasting when I do this, but like, of course it's the video and I don't want to get copyrighted. And yeah. But I honestly love making lip gloss. Like, I really have fun doing it. And it's just really fun in my opinion.
Two fours, I think 4 right there. I'll do a 5th one. Usually get like, I don't know, I don't know how to explain it, so I'm gonna say it. Yeah, so since I do have a lot left, I most likely will be, filling out my, my wand tubes and things like that. And I'll start filling out the peach mango one. There you go. And my other one. Yay, there you go. So then now I'm going to do my clear lip gloss now. Yeah, can't wait to upload this video, y'all. It's just so...
Be like, there's a lot that goes in here. For real though. Ah, oops. Okay, let's do this one. I feel like maybe it's a little more easier with the pipette because, like, you know, I don't know. And sorry for like, oh, that's it guys. I'm so excited. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Look at all of this. Yay. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I don't know. Maybe this video came out good or not. But anyways, thank you all for watching and stay glowing.